Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Aerial Silk Gymnast. Today we're going up to my friend's cabin just for a family trip. So yeah, see you when we're in the car. We're bringing two of our dogs, Diesel and Gizmo. And Bandit is going to go to our neighbor's George because he's not really, I don't know. He likes going to my neighbor's. He's obsessed with them. So he doesn't like car rides and long trips. So yeah, see when we get in the car. He's so excited. Where is he?
Easy. Don't get so excited, man. Oh, he looks good.
You all excited? You got your haircut? Huh, so excited.
He wants to go in. He's like, oh, I'm staying here. Look at him. You don't want this?
No.
The leash? No? Okay.
I got food for him and everything.
That's what he said. I packed food. He was like, no.
Okay, baby.
Are you excited to see George?
Had all your stuff ready
Is that
for
the
you?
cat?
Oh, yeah.
It looks so cute.
Is the cat on a leash? Does Bandit leave him alone?
Yeah, they get along
Can I
good.
pet him?
Can she pet him?
Sure. Go ahead, pet him. Go ahead, all.
She ran. Come here, Sika. Alright guys, so I couldn't video for a while because the power was out and it was pitch black. So it was like hours. So I finally kicked on. It's really late. So yeah. Here are some of the candles, lighters, batteries, and flashlights we use. There's more just scattered around. Here's some of the batteries. We left the natural water slide and now we are going to have a picnic, and yeah, too bad the camera's facing me. It's not facing you. Dad was dancing, but it was facing. He's doing it. The dogs? Yeah, and we brought Gizmo and Diesel. There. So, we're gonna have a picnic under this bridge thing. And there's like a lake, and then we go swimming in it. And we're gonna take the dogs in the shallow part. And we brought their water and food. So yeah, and there it is. Right, yeah. I don't feel like switching it around. Alright, so here, and yeah. So now we're gonna have to picnic. On the other side of this, is there water here? Kinda. We went around the other way, but we're going on this side instead. And yeah. Darn it! I should have brought the waterproof camera. Yay, sorry. So, it's alright. Guess I'm just gonna have to use this. I'm gonna go sideways so the current doesn't pull me off. Should have brought the waterproof one. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Getting deep. things. We're leaving, and we might go to Cucumber Falls, or we might do that tomorrow. We're still figuring that out. And we're gonna go fishing, so we might just do that all day tomorrow. And then we're leaving. And I might just fit this whole thing that I videoed into one video. I don't know, because I'm gonna have to do a lot of uploading. So I can't upload in between because there's no internet here. There's my brother. And my parents are right there. And so are the dogs. And the other dog, if you're wondering, I think I said it in the beginning of this one, because I have 2 videos actually. And one's just like, what's my suitcase? So yeah. Attention visitors, warning. This river grows constant danger, natural features such as waterfalls, cliffs, whatever. There's the warning sign. Call 911. What's down here? That people behind you.
Orange color.
Come on. Honey, he would eat you.
There's a fake dog. So now we are doing these thingy fireworks. We're just doing one, like we're both gonna do one because we want to wait for the other fireworks for later because you can see them better. So yeah. just gonna do part 2 at the cabin. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.